Hi, I know it's been a while since I've done a Titan video. I just wanted to do a quick one on my fifth wheel install on my 14 Titan. So I recently picked up a Pullrite Superglide fifth wheel sliding hitch. So there's the head there that mounts up on here, and it's an automatic sliding hitch. So as you turn the truck, the hitch slides back and away, moves the trailer away from the truck, away from the cab to give you more clearance. The tonneau cover will of course have to be off. This is an undercover flex. It lifts off fairly easily. It's fairly light. I bought the hitch used. It came with the rails, and they do mount over top of the bed rails, so you still can use parts of the in-bed rails, but obviously not all of it. This is a pretty heavy hitch, so it's pretty hard to get in and out by yourself. It's pretty much impossible unless you have some kind of hoist. I also had to buy brackets for the truck. I bought the Kurt brackets from Amazon, under 200 bucks. Came off all the bolts, nuts, the bolts to attach the rails as well. They went on fairly easily. It took some drilling. They're pretty heavy duty brackets, so I'm not worried at all about the brackets coming out. And yeah, it came with those bolts also. And I've tried it out once. It seems to work pretty well. I've got a fifth wheel camping trailer. It's about 5,500 pounds. The Titan towed it really well. It comes close to the cab on the corners, but the hitch slides it back the more you turn, so it gives us some more clearance. So I'll let you know how it goes when we go on our camping trip. Thanks. Bye.